Strawberry funnel cakes. Yes, yes, yes. Here I have a pound of sliced strawberry, a half a cup of sugar. And I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of lemon juice. And guys, the amount of sugar that I add to it depends how tart my strawberries are. These were a little tart, so that's why I use a half a cup of sugar. Otherwise, I would have used like a quarter cup of sugar. Then I also added half a teaspoon of vanilla extra. I have my fire on medium low, medium low. Make sure you stir your strawberries so your sugar is mixed really good and let them cook away. Meanwhile, we are going to start getting together our dry ingredients. So in this bowl, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, that's ground ginger. Yes, yes, ground ginger. 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. So now we are checking our strawberries. It's been about 7 minutes. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that beauty right there. All right. So here I have some cornstarch. And in a cup, I have a tablespoon of it. And then I'm adding a little bit of water, just a little bit. You don't need that much, just to dissolve the cornstarch, guys. Just to dissolve it, just a little bit. All right. And that's exactly what you want. Now we're going to go back to the stove where our strawberries are cooking. And I'm going to add a little bit. Not the whole thing, just a little bit. Just to thicken the sauce, just a little bit. If you like yours a little watery, that's all preference, guys. There's no right and wrong. It's all preference. I like my sauce a little thicker so it could stick to those funnel cakes. And when I tell you this sauce came out delicious, I mean just that, guys, delicious. All right. So our strawberries is done and I just remove it from the fire. Now I'm getting my wet ingredients together. So here I'm cracking 2 eggs. I like to mix my eggs really good, guys, before I add my whole milk. And if you you can't have regular milk, it's fine. Just use some almond milk, any milk of your preference, guys, okay? So here I'm adding 1.5 cups of milk to my 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra. And again, I'm mixing it really good, really good, really good, really good before I add it to my dry ingredients. And I like to whisk my dry ingredients as well, really good. Make sure that all the dry ingredients are incorporated really good before I add my wet ingredients, all right? So while we doing this, guys, if you've been watching my channel and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, that like button. And also, guys, a lot of you have forgotten to click on that bell icon. Make sure you click on that bell icon that is going to notify you every time I upload a new video. You already know I cook a lot of different recipes here, a lot of international recipes. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, all right? So here, as you can see, I am whisking away. I'm whisking away. I'm giving my batter some love so I could get it back. A lot of people say funnel cake batter is like pancake. It's a little thicker than pancake. You want it to be a little thicker than pancakes, as you can see. So here I'm showing you a funnel cake container that I bought at Aldi about 2 years ago. But I'm not going to use that because I know a lot of you do not have it. I'm going to show you how to use a squeeze bottle to make your funnel cake. I went ahead and cut the tip down all the way down, as you could see, and voila. That's all you need right there, that squeeze bottle. You could get at Dollar Tree, at Walmart, wherever. So as you can see, it's going to get a little messy. You could use a little funnel to put it in there. I just thought it was too much. I just did it over the bowl, and that's it. Meanwhile, while I was preparing my ingredients, I have my oil heating up on medium fire. And as you could see, I am squeezing away. As you could see, as soon as I squeeze in there, right away started floating to the top. That is perfect. That's exactly how you want your funnel cake batter to be. If it don't float to the top as soon you start squeezing in there, something wrong. Okay? Just know that. So it took about 2 minutes on each side, guys. And if you have a wire rack, I like using my wire racks every time I fry something. But if you don't, that's fine. Just use the paper towel. And right away, dust it with sugar of your preference. Cinnamon sugar, powdered sugar, whatever it is that you want to dust it with. But look at that. Look at that beauty. Not only beautiful, guys. I mean, this funnel cakes came out so tasty, beautiful to look at, but also delicious to eat. I took some to work and my coworkers went insane. So as you can see, this is the second batch. I'm showing you just how to make two. And the same thing, as soon as I squeeze it in there, as you could see, guys, and make sure you do it in a circular motion, over it, sideways, all of that. All right. And as soon as you put it in there, your batter should be able to flow right up to the oil. That means that's good. That's good. All right. And my oil is on medium fire, not on high. Look at that beauty. Again, I went ahead and dusted with that sugar. And I'm telling you guys, they stay firm most of the day. Most of the day, they stay firm. And, I mean, delicious. Look at that strawberry. Let me tell you something. This strawberry glaze came out super, super delicious. And guys, this weekend is 4th of July. I brought you this recipe. I said, let me help my people out. We are going to go see those fireworks. We're going to have those food trucks, and they be charging $8 and $9 for this funnel cake. Things are hard right now, and a lot of you have small children, and you still want to see those beautiful smile in their faces. Listen, make this at home. Take them with you. And give his child one of these, and I'm telling you, you're going to see those beautiful smile without breaking your pocket. All right? I hope everybody give this recipe a try. Please, please leave me some nice comments below. Let me know how you enjoy. Let me know how those beautiful kids enjoy this recipe. And again, thank you for the support and stopping by. And I will see you in the next recipe. Have a wonderful day.